Hi guys, Andy at ARS Airguns, Air Rifle Sniper. I've been asked a couple of times just to show the method of removing the anti-tampers. So I've basically set up this small jig. It's got a shear off anti-tamper in the bottom there. Just about see the threads as it goes down here. Now everyone obviously has their own methods, but I've seen loads and loads of people commenting and saying that basically their rifles have been into one company or another. Can't really name any names for obvious reasons, but they're getting the rifles back, and obviously with an aluminium block and this all being black, they're getting the rifles back, and the threads on the top here and the main block are absolutely mullered. I don't know what the hell they've done to remove it. I think they must have used a Kango drill or something to try and get them out. The mess that they make is just totally unnecessary. It really is. It's as simple as the procedure I'm going to show you now is foolproof. Basically what I've done is, dependent upon the size of the thread that's in there, this particular one is an M6, so I've got a standard M6 bolt, sectioned a bit of the thread, drilled a hole straight through and put a flat bladed cut in the top. Now what you do now is, obviously this hole in the middle is 3mm, so that is your drill guide. Means you can't go off center, you can't damage the thread, you can't go anything other than what you're doing. So that basically goes in the top. Wind it down just gently till it touches the top of the offending item you're trying to remove. Now I personally then use a 2.8mm drill bit. It's marginally smaller than the one you'll use that's actually in there, because you're only using that as a guide. You don't want to be sort of keep drilling it each time. So let's try and get you a different angle on this, bear with me. See if we can come in here and get it from the side a little bit. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to drill from the top into that. These drills are brand new and they are like razor sharp, so hence why it's just gone through that like butter. Because to be totally honest, what we'll do is remove the drill guide. Now loads of people use different methods. Like I say, you can get yourself a left-handed thread set, which is an easy out set like so. You can use those, or if you've got Torx bits you can use those. So what you do is put it into the hole and then find the right size that you want. We'll go for the left-handed drill because everyone sort of says you're going to use that, so choose the size that you're going to require, put it in the top, just give it a little tap like so, and let's get the bit. Then you'll be able to wind out the offending item. back off the other way, and then what you're left with is the anti-tamper, the hole through that you've just removed. And on that, as you can see, there's no damage to the threads, there's no damage to the outer area. It comes out as clean as that. That's as simple as it is. No messing about, just, you know, straightforward, and you're using items that are easily available. Obviously, if you're going to take the job on, and you're going to be doing bits and pieces like this, it's worthwhile investing in one of these little sets. You can pick them up cheap as chips, you know, they all do the good job. So you've got the drill guides and the out-in pieces, and the tool to wind them in and out. So basically that's what you're looking at. So you've got your initial starting guide for on the very tip of that. You go up to the next size. If you're slipping on that, you can go up to the next size drill bit on that, so on and so forth. And the drill bits are allocated for each item as you go. And then obviously you've got the gripping tool there to actually lock onto the head of them and wind them out. So it is as straightforward as that. Like I say, you know, get yourself a set of grub screws, because once you remove them, you've got an actual bolt that you, a grub screw that you can wind back into it, that you can undo with a standard Allen key. So personally speaking, you can go online, you can get yourself a kit like so, which covers all of the standard sort of grub screws. Bear in mind, some grub screws, depending on their purpose, are flat bottomed, which is, let's get one out of here, like so, just flat on the base. Others carry a pointed base like so. So be aware of what one you've removed and what one you're going to put back. So like I say, it's worthwhile investing in a set of both, because they are handy things to have to hand. If you are taking anti-tampers out for the needs of servicing your own rifles, most rifles now are fitted with the anti-tamper, so you know you're not in breach of anything by removing them purely for servicing purposes. To dismantle the rifle yourself, if you're capable and you're, you know, that way inclined with the mind that you can dismantle your rifle, carry out its service that it needs, replacing seals, etc., making adjustments to, you know, get a better trigger, etc., that then, you know, that's the way to basically get your anti-tampers out. Hope that's helped, guys. Thanks for watching. If you like the videos, please subscribe. Follow us on YouTube. Follow us on Facebook under RS Airguns. And yeah, hope you enjoyed it. Thanks so much, guys. Bye.